Hi, my name is Joyce. I'm in the USI Technical Department. On previous videos, we've showed where you wrap the film around the rollers. And sometimes if the rollers do not move because of the wrap-up, you may have blown the motor fuse. So we're going to show you how to change the motor fuse on a CSL. The side housings have these black Allen screws. They're 3 metric Allen wrench screws. They're the same on this side. This is the side that you have to take off. I've already removed 3 of the screws, so I've left one here. But on the CSL, you have to pull out the thermometer first. Your temperature knob is a little Allen set screw. You have to remove the set screw to pull the knob off before you attempt to take the side housing off. Once you take off the screws on the side housing, the blue cover will come right off. This is your motor control board. To the left of the motor control board is your glass fuse. It's a 250 volt 1 amp fuse. You pull the fuse out, you put a new fuse in. If the fuse blows, you possibly blew the motor control board or damaged the motor. Sometimes the break in the fuse will be obvious that it's blown. If the break is under the metal caps, you would change it anyways just to be safe. If the fuse is just blown and you put it in, then the machine is going to run for you and you could get the wrap-up out. If the fuse blows, like I said, you need to either change the motor control board or the motor itself. And at that time, you would give me a call back and I can give you some part numbers and some tips on how to change those parts.